Horses out, we have Zeniales. Pass to begin, Danori inside Salinas. Moving up on the outs and out, Dan Spieber. Full of action is racing in third, and followed by Lady Atasha. Sugar Praise, Stormy Norman, Magisterium. Then followed by Federer and Green Diamond. This the early trailer by about 14 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, we have Zeniales by about 3 lengths now. Moving up now to take second is Full of Action, Lady Atasha rushing up on the outside to take second. And moving up now in fourth, Dan Spieber. Moving up on the outside, Stormy Norman. Sugar Praise, Salinas, Magisterium, Green Diamond, and Federer. And it's still Zeniales moving up. Lady Atasha fighting it out for the lead. Racing in third position is Full of Action. Moving up, Dan Spieber. Then followed over by Sugar Praise, Magisterium, Stormy Norman. Dan Spieber running by the release, Green Diamond, and Federer. Lady Atasha now takes the lead by about 2 lengths. Magisterium now moving up to take second as they come down at the last 150. Lady Atasha moving up, Magisterium on the outside to take the lead. It's now Magisterium by about 2 lengths over Lady Atasha. Sugar Free moving up Federer. And finally, it's Magisterium. Second, Lady Atasha. Sugar Free, Federer, then comes Dan Spieber.
Yung parehong panigundo natin ng graba. 3 at 5. Anyway, crossing the wire.